I'll be showing you step by step how to bulk edit tags on your Shopify store completely free. To do so, we'll be using a completely free app called Power Tools Bulk Edit Tags, available on the Shopify App Store. And at the time of recording, it is completely free here, and it makes it super easy to bulk edit your tags, which is exactly what we're looking to do. So you can find this on the App Store. I'll leave a link in the description below, but once you're on this page, we can just click install here, and we can begin the setup sequence. If you're comfortable with the permissions, we'll click install here. Then let's go over how to use this app step by step. So first up, we have to accept this agreement here. Again, if you're comfortable with that, hit accept. First off, it's going to show us the dashboard here. And Power Tools has other Shopify apps here, so they're encouraging you to install it here. What we want to go is to the left-hand side menu. I'm also going to pin this app here so it's easy to find later, and go to bulk edit tags. And so this gives us several options. We first get the option to add a remove tags by collection. So for each product in, let's say, my camping collection here, I can add a specific tag, could add camping. And let's take a look that this is working. So under products, I'm going to open this up in a new tab just so we can see what it looks like before. So I believe the outdoor camping bag is inside here. Looks like I already have the camping tag added. So I'm just going to remove it, hit save, head back to my previous tab. Then I want to hit update tags and collection. We can see this job has been submitted, and that should update shortly. While we wait, let's take a look at the rest of the features here. So along with doing it by collection, we can quickly replace, add, or remove tags and products matching the tag here. So let's say we have an existing products with camping. I could go and replace all of these, or remove it, or add different types of tags for every product existing that has the camping tag already. We can also bulk remove tags, so just remove them from all the products. We can also edit tags by the description or title of the product. And so essentially here, it's just going to give us several options in which we can update our tags, whether we want to filter it by collection, existing tags, or the description or title of the product. So it turns out I really didn't need to wait here. It actually updated instantly. It just wasn't part of the collection. So I had to go and add it in and then redo the process. But we can see it's been added back. So overall, it's extremely efficient to go and bulk edit your tags using this app here. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor, Profit Calc, comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, like the last 7 days. You're going to get real-time analytics and calculations, summarizing everything in an easy-to-understand dashboard. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, along with many cost of goods sold providers like CJ Dropshipping or AliExpress. From there, you're also going to get a lot of different analytics and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything out for yourself. There's a link in the description below that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing. Before I go, I want to mention that if you're looking for a Shopify theme optimized for conversions that allows you to turn window shoppers into instant buyers, you should check out my very own Conversion Booster Pro, and it saves you up to $1,944 a year on app subscriptions. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. If you search Profit Calc in the Shopify App Store, just look for this logo here. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. So this really concludes the video here on to go and bulk edit the tags on your store. This app makes it super simple. As mentioned, it's completely free. So it looks like Power Tools uses this as a free app to help drive you to their other suite of tools. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.